These folks are from St. Elizabeth, and they've been affected from not having light, no water,
Not having a roof.
not having a roof. It's rough. You know what it is not having cold water in these hot times? Madness. So not having somewhere to live is even more important. So it's so imperative that we come together as a nation and rebuild. Help us to help our colleagues, our friends, our family, the ones who have fallen and are in desperation to get back on their feet and continue living.
Right now, please understand that the need is so great and so urgent, so pressing that everything helps. Everything helps.